ओबीसी आयोगाच्या अहवाला उपरांत पंचायत आरक्षणाविषयी सरकार निर्णय घेतले अशें पंचायत मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन सांगला। मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंताकडेन उलोवप केल्या उपरांत तो पत्रकारांकडेन उलयतालो। ॲडव्होकेट जनरलान ह्या विशीं आपलें म्हणणें मांडलां। वेंचणुके फुडें धुकलचे नात, जाता तितले बेगीन पंचायत वेंचणुके घेवपाक आमी प्राधान्य दितले अशें आसले तरी सर्वोच्च न्यायालयाच्या निवाड्याकूय प्राधान्य दितले अशें माविन गुदिनोन सांगला।
When Supreme Court says something, we have to follow it in letter and spirit. All the states are following it, so we have to follow it. A triple test, appointing the OBC Commission, government has acted instantly. They have been entrusted with the task, or they are being entrusted with the task. Once they finish their task, even if they come tomorrow, day after tomorrow, everything is ready as they have been making statements. Why government will have any objection to hold the election? For us, holding the election as soon as possible is a priority. But Supreme Court judgment has definitely come in the way. आमकां follow करचेच पडटा. OBC Commission म्हणटा 2013 report घेवन व्यवस्थित सरकार तुम्ही election आमकां धाडून दिनी report. So we'll act on that. It is not that government is shying away from election. What we have got to do when they are not first of all contested on party lines. Panchayat election, you also know it is not contested on party line. So why should, for somebody to say that we don't want the election, question does not arise. आमकांय बेगीन जाल्ली जाय, पूण बेगीन करपा खातीर सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे डिसिजन मोदी आसा ते तरी व्यवस्थित सॉल्व जाता। फाल्यां ओबीसी कमिशन जे ट्रिपल टेस्ट म्हणलो आसा तेणी एक क्लियर रिपोर्ट दिलो 2013 जशें पब्लीक स्टेटमेंट करता बरोवन दिन दी फाल्यां करा इलेक्शन, कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना।